Okay, okay, okay. Hello guys. I think we are live now. Yeah, I think we are live. But I'm just going to give like few minutes so that maybe let's see if more people are going to join. I'll just give some few minutes. Then we can just head over and start analyzing. But I think I'm going to share my screen real quick. I don't know if so. I think one person is already here. But if you can hear me, bro, just can you just text if you can hear me? Just let me know. Okay. Of my trading view right now, bro. I don't know. No one hear me. Like one person is already here, right? But can you hear me? If you can hear me, just drop one on the chat. So this is like my very first time live in any platform, both be it Instagram or any place. This is my first time going live. So you guys are going to be, if there is any mistake that I'm making, so yeah. So I'm going to give it like let's just wait. I think yeah, okay, good. You guys can hear me. All right, well, 4 people are here. Let's just know if you can get up to 10 people or 5 people, anyone can just head over what we have today. But what I'm basically going to show you guys is how I do my weekly forecast. But let's just wait. Let's see if more people we just up. All right. Thank you, man. Network is a bit bad. I don't know, but hope you guys can see my screen. What I'm showing. Can you guys see my screen? If you guys can't see my screen, probably I have to change location. If you can see my screen, just let me know on the chat. If network is still very bad, then means I have to change location because I wouldn't want me analyzing and probably guys will not be forgetting what I'm saying or following what I'm analyzing very well. So if you guys can see my screen, just let me know. I think all right. I think I have to change location, bro. I need to change location since network is bad here. All right, all right. Let me change location, guys. All right. I believe that this place I'm going now, you guys will be able to see what I'm doing because okay, yeah. Let me all right. Let me just start sharing my screen again to see. So can you guys see my screen now? I've changed the location. Can you guys see my screen now? If you can see my screen, just text me. all right. So I think we are good to go. All right, guys. So today, what I'll be going on today is just to do my weekly forecast with you guys. Then hopefully within the week, I'll do more of this live trading to show you guys how I trade actually live. But today, what I want to do is more of what I'm looking for the week. So last week, if you guys can remember, just throughout last 2 weeks, I've been looking for GBP to take out this liquidity here. So you can see that we just eventually took that liquidity on Friday. Yes, on Friday. So this week right now, I'm still bearish on GBP USD. And the way I analyze it, first of all, I only analyze with the daily time frame and the 4 hour time frame and the 1 hour time frame. I barely make use of this 15 minutes time frame, though. I barely make use of the 15 minutes time frame. But sometimes why I left it there is that sometimes when I want to scalp, that's what I use to scalp. But the main thing I use here is the daily time frame and the 4 hour time frame. And then the 1 hour time frame is for my entry. So let's start with the daily time frame. So reason why I say that overall that I'm looking for bearish for the week is you can see this gap here, this gap here. So I want price to fill it up. So I can just take out this liquidity here. But before that, guys, there is this my two major point of interest for this week is this daily order block here, one, and this one here. And I wouldn't want to see price if we are going to go down to that level. I don't want to see price to take out this high of this other block. So until market prove me wrong, that is where I'm going to change my bias. For now, I'm looking for this price. Maybe tomorrow is when I will start trading. Today I'm not trading today. See if price is going to tap into this daily order block. That is when I'm going to going for a sell. And before my analysis, one of the things I look at for is the economic calendar. And let's just go and see what the news that we had for this week. And if I come to the calendar, I'm sorry guys, and I filtered my calendar for you guys. I don't know because I only trade GBP USD and gold, and sometimes Euro USD too. So I'll make sure that I filter my calendar to only be showing me the Euro, GBP, and JPY and USD news. And again, I'm more interested in the high impact economic and the non-economic calendar. So I'm not interested in this medium impact and low impact news. So that's why I filtered my news to just be showing me the USD news, the high impact news though. So what you'll be seeing there, you can see that today we had news coming up by 1:30 in a few minutes, and that is a USD news. But right now, so that this is just one of the first things that I do at the beginning of the week to see the time that the news will be coming out. I try as much as possible to avoid the news, trading the news on my challenge account, but I can trade the news with my funding, with my normal life account, guys. So that's just the thing. But this news now, I think with the way I'm saying it, I don't know. I think this news is going to at least if you can just push up to this other block here, that means I'm going in for a safe because major don't read any economic to see what the market is doing, to see what the economic calendar is doing. I mainly just analyze. My analysis is right. I believe that the news will only make the analysis to play out faster. So that's why I trade my own news. So, but everybody have their own way of trading the news. So I'm just telling the way I trade my own news. So for the GBP USD, I can see that I'm bearish for this week, but that does not mean that we are not going to say buy because for today Monday, I'm expecting price to buy to this other block here, and for tomorrow, I want to see a rejection to sell at least. But if you fail to if this other block fails to hold tomorrow or next tomorrow, the next one I'm be looking at for is something like this. Is what I'm looking out for. But if we fail, if this other block fail, the second one I'm looking out for is this one here. I believe this thing can explain better. So that is just the way I used to trade. And for me, like seeing this thing now on the daily time frame is very, very clear here. There is no point of me coming down to 1 hour time frame, sorry, the 4 hour time frame now to share, because the daily time frame is already clear for me. When I used to come down to 4 hour time frame is if the daily time frame is not that clear for me, then I will come down to 5 hour time frame to see what the market is doing. But now, since the daily time frame is clear, the only thing I have to focus on now, next place I'm going to go in is the 1 hour time frame. This will just be my entry time frame. All right. So this will be my entry time frame. So what I'll be doing is just to wait the price to come to that level that I'm looking at for. So, but right now I can see that there is nothing really going on here. Price is not yet at our point of interest. So what I'll be doing is just to set an alert, because I wouldn't want to be staring at the chart all day. So I will have to set an alert here. So once price come to that level, my phone is going is going to go off, and I will see. That's when I'll have to like check where the market is in and what how the market is reacting at that level. Because I don't want to just mostly, yeah, I know that some people will say that why do you just use a limit order instead of just setting alert. I have to see how the market is coming to that level. Are they coming? Because I like to see market just like kind of creating something like a lower high, sorry, a higher high and a higher low, like slowly like coming to that level. I don't want to see price just push up with fast reaction, just like this news now to that level. I want to see a slow reaction coming to that level before I'll go in for a sale. So I don't like using a method. I like using a market execution to enter my trade. So that's why I normally put an alert to so that once market get to that level, then I have to like monitor it to see how the market is reacting before I go in. So that is it for the GPAT, and you can see that this thing just is. There is no point of complicating stuff, bringing different analogies, like different things, just to analyze this thing. So this the way I just put it now is just as simple as it can be. So you can see. So this is it for the GPUSD analysis. The next part I'm going to go in is on gold. But gold now, last week, yeah, you can see that gold have been gold have been buying since last week. So I will not say this is what I'm looking at for on gold. This is what I'm looking at for gold, because gold have just been, I don't know, could have been on smoke, even though that other pairs, the GBP and the Euro USD, I believe, are selling, but gold are buying. Gold is just buying. So I have to wait. I'm not trading gold. I have to like stay off from gold, because I can't say this is what I'm looking at for, or this is what gold is going to do next at this level here, until I see something like this. Until I see something like this, like for the market to sell to take out this level here, then a rejection to the upper side. That's when I have to go in for a sell. But at this point right now that gold is at now, I don't know what gold is going to do next. Okay, I can't say this is what I'm looking at for on gold. So yeah, on silver, I just added these two, silver and US 30 and GBP JPY last week Friday, because I just want to study the two. I mean the three, because I like silver, and but you can see silver and gold move in a similar pattern. So just with the same way gold is now, I can't say what silver is going to do next. For US 30, I don't really trade it. I just have to put it like I want to study the pair. But at this point now, US 30 is now. I like the for me, I can see that I have to go and look for a sell at least to fill out this gap here. If we look at this place, I see that we have a fair value gap here. You see, I want, and this is just as simple. You know, one thing with analysis now, once you see your setup right here, is just once you open any pair, right, and and your setup is there, it you have to be very clear on you. Once you start like having double mind on your setup, that means there is no setup there. So you can see that the way I just opened this US starting now and just looking at it, I've already seen that, yeah, this is what I've been looking at for. I want price to react on this other block here that price is currently at, then to set to this level. There's another block here. that we potentially can see a buy move from that place. That is for the year starting. And the GPJPY, GPJPY, this way. At this point now, I can't say this is what I'm looking at for on GPJPY because yeah, I can't say this is what I'm looking at for on GBPJPY, guys. So, but for the week, we are more focused on is on this GBP, sorry, on GBPUSD. That is where I'm more focused on for the week. And I've already explained to you guys this is what I'm looking at for this week on GBP USD. And as you guys can see, I'm at the daily time frame. So I have to wait. I have to wait. Let me see how this news is it going to come out positive or negative. But I want this news to come out. I want this news to come out like positive, guys, because I'm looking at for my analysis. I want a strong dollar. So if this news will come out positive, guys, it's going to also be a more confidence to my analysis. But before that, guys, I want price can still reject from this place. So sometimes one thing I like doing when analyzing, even though I marked out that this is the point of interest where I'm looking at to sell. All right, I can see that. Okay, where I'm looking at to sell. It's not a must that price must surely get to that level before we going for a sale. If this news come out now, right, start going down, I will. That doesn't mean that okay now if this news come out now, this can just start going down tomorrow. That should I can't have to add. I will not just like sit down there and because of the market not get my point of interest. I will not go for a sale. But this is because you guys can see that we are at the daily time frame. So if this news come out now, because this is a daily time frame, guys. So if this candle turn out to close bearish, guys, tomorrow, that is when the 1 hour time frame. I have to like make use of the 1 hour time frame. I'll look for my entry pattern, which is mostly other block and favorable gap to continue the sell to this level. But overall, my target, what I'm selling is to get I want price to fill out this favorable gap here. So that's just why I'm selling. But yeah, let me just wait to see how the news is going to turn out to be. The news is going to be in the next few minutes now. So I think I have to like wait to see how the news is going to be. Um so this week is more of there's news throughout the week. You can see there is news even tomorrow too. There's a GP news by 7 a.m. Yeah. But the one that I'm more focused on right now is I want to see how this news is going to come out. But that this news is going to determine if we are going to looking for more of sale. I can see how market is reacting from this candle here now. But let's watch, guys. Let's watch. That is another block. So this is another thing that can happen from this 1 hour time frame. Price can sell this level before buying to that level. So bro, I'm just watching, guys. I'm just watching. With that too, you can see also these two candle here on other block. Okay, the news is coming out in the next 10 minutes, guys. The next 10 minutes is when the news is coming out. what our analysis last week. Although that last week I didn't take any setup last week. I don't think, yeah, I didn't take any setup last week. But let me show you guys. Okay, yeah, last week was when the CPI came out. I think, yeah, market reacted from this. To be sincere with you guys, I was not really like confident on this sell. That's why I didn't just get in on the sell, because at the beginning, when price failed to take out this liquidity, confidence on the sell from this daily order block here. I mean this other block here. We can see that with the news, markets tend to move price faster to our targets. So that's just one thing I'm saying. When trading me, if I tell you guys I'm trading the news, I just like enter, maybe buy stop or sell stop. I like to analyze the news to see if my setup is present at that current market condition. I'm just going to trade my setup, guys. It's not just me like entering with the buy stop or sell stop stuff. I'm going to enter the trade with what my analysis is telling me. But if the setup not clear, and probably I want to like kind of gamble with maybe on my small life account or anything, that's when I have to like use the buy stop and sell stop. But I don't advise that kind of trading to anybody. I always like to analyze the news and see if my setup is there. Then I'll just trade my setup, and I with the belief that once my analysis is right, the news is just going to make my the market to move faster to my trades. So that is just why I believe it, the way I trade. So the news is just in a few minutes now. Let's just wait. I'm just going to just wait to see. And guys, you guys can see that. You can see how fast I just analyze these two pairs. So this is just right. I analyze. I don't really stay much on the chart when I analyze it for my weekly forecast. Just within few minutes, if I'm done. But I want to see how this news is going to come out. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Let's see. I believe like after this, my first live trading from today, I think I'll be doing more of live trading like in a week, at least 2 times, or sorry, like at least maybe twice or 3 times in a week. And but today is just made like doing my weekly forecast. From tomorrow or next tomorrow, any day I'm going to be like going for a sale. But for now, I can't say this is the time I'm going to be going live every single anytime, because I'm kind of person that I don't say that I trade New York session or London session. I trade all session, guys, like mostly the New York session and the London session. But what I'll be doing is prior to the time I'm going to go live, I'm going to notify you guys. I'm going to post on my YouTube community and also my Telegram channel. So I'm going to leave the link on my Telegram on the description of this video. So if you have not been on my Telegram, you can join with the link. So whenever I want to go live, I'm going to notify them first. And I also try to notify you guys on my YouTube community. So this is what I'm looking at for. And I want to see how this news is going to come out. But so far that whatever even if you save to take out this this other block here. So far that we are still this low has not been taken out. I'm still going to wait for price to come to this level before I'm going for a sell. Until unless this news just break this candles this low here. Let me just change the color to blue. Because sometimes if this news is going to come out, sometimes you can see that this news will just push faster to break even this other block here. So that is just one thing I can't go in. All right, okay. So do you think that the GU will drop to its all-time low. Okay, let me that is let me check on the 1 hour time frame, the monthly time frame to see what the monthly time frame is doing. So no guys, from the even from the monthly time frame, guys, when if you look closer here, you can see that even the place I marked this my favorite gap is where I'm even expecting price to continue back right from the monthly time frame. This is the monthly time frame I'm showing you guys here. And again, if you when you look closer here, you can see that overall on the monthly time frame we have been on the in a bullish trend, even though price should take out this level, this liquidity here. So I don't think this is going to come down to the all-time low here. That is, I believe, is the all-time low of GU. No, I don't think so. I don't think so because it's just like I'm just telling you guys from the way I trade, guys. From the way I trade, you can see that this is my daily favorite gap plus the monthly order block. So you can see how perfectly it's in align with the main threshold of that favorite gap. So this is the reason, the more reason why I'm looking for a sell. So I want price to sell. And again, even this sell is going to fill up this favorable gap on the monthly time frame. See, from this place to this candles high and this candles low created a monthly favorable gap. So this also give us a more confidence for sell for the weekly buyers. So this is that just it, guys. I don't think G is going to set to this all-time low. No, I don't think so. All right, the news is just in 2 minutes time. I believe this what I explained answered the question. If there's anything you can say, ask me. What's her name? I can't pronounce this your name. Uh, Kaugora. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see how the news is going to come out. The news will come out in the next 1 minute, guys. In the next 1 minute. Let's see. I don't. If not the news, this would be a good place to go in for a buy. To go in for a buy. But I don't trade like that. I don't trade the news because even though that we are anticipating price to buy from this place, the news can still come up and push through this other block here. But overall, I don't want the news to take out this candle. You can see that the news just dropped now. I'm going for a sell. So there's some people can still go in for a buy now, but you can see price can still take out this other block low. But with that, let's just see. Overall, I don't want the news to take out these candles low here. But I'm not on this trade, guys. I'm not on this trade. We are more focused on this level here to go in for because this is the daily order block. So this thing can still take out the consider here. We just almost take out this other block low here, which I just said. So it's not advisable to trade like that, even though you just have to follow a setup. And my first stop is telling me that this is where I want to buy from. This is where I want to sell from. So I just have to wait. Let's see. So then I can see that this place is not valid again. But still yet, I'm still looking for, I'm still going to wait. Probably this thing can still react to, sorry, can still reject and still push up to this level. So this is the level I'm more focused on. So I'm going to set alert here in case if price continues selling to take out this candles low, then I'm going to have a change of plan. But still overall, I'm looking for a sell this other block here, this fairly gap, sorry. That is where I'm more focused. That is where my overall bias is. Yeah, guys. So this is just like this live reading is just to show you guys what I'm looking at for the week, and I believe that I just show you guys now. So within a week, once maybe I don't know, I can't just say because this week, guys, I've been pretty much very busy this week. I don't think I'm going live this week. I'm going to make a video. I'm going to tell you guys about what that is all about. Maybe I'm going to make a video this week to tell you guys what that's all about. But if I'm chanced, I will still go live within this week. But from next week, guys, we'll be doing at least 2 times. Yeah, we'll be going live 2 times from next week, guys. At least 2 times in a week. You can see how we are rejecting from this, even though this candle size on other block. So let's see. Till this low is taken out, I'm still convinced that price can still push up to this other block here, this daily other block to continue selling. Let's see what the 4 hour is doing. Okay. Okay. So yeah, guys, let's see. But now let me tell you guys another change of plan. If this candle finally come down to take out this candles low, this will be my next change of plan. If this candles continue by probably next 4 hour candle perform again to continue selling to take out this candles low, then that means we are looking for another point of interest again that I'll be looking to sell. If you it will be from this last buy candle will not form another block for me that I'm going to go in for a sell with. So that's if the next 4 hour candle or this candle continue selling to take out this candles low. So I will now be like waiting for a rejection to this other block for me to go in for a sell. So now overall I can see that I really have like 3 point of interest where I'm interested in to sell. That is this one here and this other block here and this other block here. But I don't want price to come down to this as higher as this other block. So I want price if market is going to sell to take out this fill this other block to fill this fairly gap here. I want market to reject from this other block here or this one. But this one is not fully formed. I can't call this one an other block yet on this until this candle close and the next 4 hour candle is going to form. So guys, that will be it for today's live trading. I think that will be it, guys. So see you guys the next time we're going to go live. And I believe like so until then guys, I'm going to update you guys. So see you guys and I wish you guys a successful trading week and yeah, be safe.